There is a secret strategy that the top TikTok Shop affiliate creators are using to make a lot of money. In the last 3 months, I have made over $121,000 with 51,000 of that coming in just month 3, and a lot of it is thanks to using this strategy. And if you're not using it, well, you're probably wasting a lot of time making videos that nobody is ever going to see. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 3-step process that you can use to start getting ahead of 99% of TikTok Shop affiliates. And I can tell you right now, these top earning TikTok affiliates are not going to be happy that I'm sharing this with you, because it continuously gets them millions and millions of views. You need to understand that shoppable videos are just a way to promote a product in the most authentic manner. So the words we choose to communicate our message play a huge role in whether or not the viewer is going to stick around for the video and ultimately buy the product. So imagine it this way: you're at a party and somebody comes up to you. If they immediately start trying to sell you something, you're going to feel put off and try to walk away. But if they first engage with you and share a genuine conversation, they're sharing stories, they're sharing valuable information, you'll feel more comfortable and interested in what they have to say. After a while, if they then mention something they think you'll like, you'll be more interested in hearing what they have to say, because by them taking the time to have a genuine conversation, you've now built a connection with them. So Allie here, she's one of the top TikTok Shop affiliates within the last 30 days. In just that time frame, she's made over 1.1 million in sales and consistently pulls in over 1 million views per day. So let's take a look at how she uses this secret strategy at the start of her video.
I never thought that big bright doe eyes would be the makeup trend of 2024. And a lot of people are like, why eyeliner never went out of style? Oh yeah, it did.
Okay, so she starts her video by saying, I never thought that big bright doe eyes would be the makeup trend of 2024. And if you read the comment reply here, you'll see that it says, I remember the white eyeliner when I was in middle school, it's making a comeback. And that's important to know, because now you'll see how the initial engagement of her video is her simply acknowledging the comment reply. This is similar to the party example, where instead of you trying to sell somebody immediately, you instead engage in a normal, authentic conversation. And that's exactly what she does by referring to this comment at the start of her video. And that's super important to know, because as a viewer scrolls onto her video, they're going to have their guard down. They're not going to be expecting to be sold on a product. That is why the first step of this strategy is to acknowledge the comment. Now, it is important to know that there are a few ways of doing this. The first way you can do this is just by reading the comment fully. If we take a look here at Jen's video, you'll see exactly how she does it.
I bought all the colors for my wife and they match her nurse scrubs, and she loves them because she's on her feet for 12 hours. Thank you for your comment, and can we just normalize wearing non-expensive brand shoes?
So you can see how she just acknowledges the comment, she then thanks them for the comment, and then proceeds into her video. It's important because the viewer comes in caught a little bit off guard. They're not expecting to be sold on a product. The second way was the example we showed with Allie, where she's referring to the comment instead of actually reading the comment. And then the third way is by responding to the comment. In this example, the comment reply is saying, what if I'm a side sleeper? I go from one side to the other. So take a look at how this video starts. Alright, if you're a side sleeper, you're still out of luck. So what happens is when you're a side sleeper, it's directly answering the question in the comment reply. So as the viewer scrolls onto the video, once again, they're not expecting to be sold on a product based on that intro. The great thing about each example though is that you have the opportunity to start the video authentically, and new viewers are immediately more interested in what you have to say because they're coming in a little bit confused. They don't necessarily know right away what it is that you're reading, referring to, or responding to. So they stick around longer to hear what you have to say or look at context clues inside of the comments to figure out what the video is about. And by them doing that, you are increasing your audience retention and telling TikTok that this is a good video. If you're interested in diving deeper into this system and exploring other methods that I've tested and put into simple frameworks, when you have a chance, click the first link in the description, as you'll get access to my comprehensive 6-hour course on TikTok Shop Affiliate and gain entry into our exclusive Discord community that we're building in there. And the best part is, right now you can try it out for 3 days free to figure out if it's even worth it for you. Now, we made sure that we acknowledge the comment reply, so next we have to incorporate some features of the product. Think about this like you're back at the party, you've started a genuine conversation, and now is when you're going to start incorporating some of those personal stories or sharing some of your valuable information. However, it's super important that you remain authentic throughout this period of the video. You don't want it to immediately start turning into a sales advertisement. So let's take a look at those same 3 video examples and see how they incorporated these highlights or features of the product.
I don't understand why people are so wrapped up in different brands of shoes. Like, I only wear it if it's this brand or that brand. Why not just wear cared if it's cute and if it's a good pair of shoes. As you can see, he said that his wife is on her feet for 12 hours a day and that she wears these exact shoes that I'm wearing right now. These are my all-time favorite shoes on all of TikTok Shop. And guess what? They're under like $15. I like them so much that I went ahead and bought another pair because guess what? They're under $15. I got this pair for when I go and do cat stuff, and I got this pair for when I go out to dinner or something like that. But yes, let's normalize wearing non-expensive shoes. Like, what's the point of spending $90, $100, sometimes over $100 on a pair of shoes?
Okay, so she does a great job there by highlighting the price and the comfort of the shoes. And at no point does it feel like an overly salesy video. Okay, now let's take a look at how Allie started highlighting the features of her product.
Oh yeah, it did. It transitioned from the dark smoky eye to this year being light, bright, clean girl kind of makeup. A lot of people are hating on the white, which is why you can actually transition to like a peachy pink and it's going to be a lot better for you. You will never see me go a day without putting this on. Even when I don't wear makeup, this is going to make me look 10 times more awake, so I always put it on. This is the only thing that stays in my waterline. And look at the difference in the doe eyes from this one to this one. What's crazy is you can even do a smoky eye with this and it's still going to give you that white, bright doe eye type of look. And this is the only thing that'll actually stay in my waterline all day. A lot of people won't pay $27 for this, but this is why Tarte's doing the bundle. And it's actually the last day of the spring sale. So you get 3 things for $24. Don't judge me for restocking because this deal's so good. You get the tubing mascara, you get a Maracuja lip, and you get the fake awake, all for $26.
Okay, so again, super important to recognize how the whole time it's more of an authentic style of video. It almost feels like she's just talking to a friend through FaceTime about this product. Now, this last one is a little bit longer, so we'll just show a quick snippet of where we're talking about some of those features. Now, for side sleepers specifically, there's these little flaps here. So instead of you having both of your arms like this propped up even higher on a normal pillow, you can have them in a little bit more of an externally rotated position, which just means that your arm is going to be just a little bit lower. And instead of you compressing here all night and getting tighter shoulders and getting more rounded shoulders, giving you more of that humpback look, then now your arms will be in a more natural position. You're more in a stretched position rather than a tightening down position. So again, another good example of just keeping it natural, authentic. It doesn't sound like you're trying to sell something to anybody. And now, as with any video, you want to encourage a call to action. If you were back at the party, here's where you would start making some of those suggestions based on something you think that that person would like. So here in the shoppable video is where you want to start introducing to the viewer where to get the product. The most important thing here is still to come off authentic. You don't want to sound so persistent about the sale. You more so just want to let the viewer know that it is available if they want it. So see how it was done in each of these 3 videos.
Because this deal's so good, you get the tubing mascara, you get a Maracuja lip, and you get the fake awake, all for $26. And the free Maracuja lip is literally worth it in itself. So if you hate the white, try the peach. It's a lot less dramatic and great for a normal look. It's amazing.
Okay, so a very, very natural call to action. Even then, the viewer doesn't feel like they're being sold something. Instead, it feels like a suggestion that Allie is making for them. So now let's look at the shoes example.
If you guys want to check these shoes out, I will link them down below. These are my favorite shoes on all of TikTok Shop. They're very comfortable. I can stand on my feet for multiple hours and not have any issues. And they're cute. Look at them. They're so bright. They're glowing. I have these in like 5 different colors now. I have the black, I have the green, I have the pink, I have the blue, and then I have some other color. Anyways, I'll link them below. Thank you for your comment.
So as you can see, super important. She doesn't come off super salesy at the end. She still sounds like a friend making a suggestion. I hope that you're starting to see a pattern here. Authenticity is always going to win in these shoppable videos. And now let's look at how it was done in the pillow video. These pillows have helped a lot, especially for you side sleepers, especially you back sleepers. This will be amazing. And you stomach sleepers, yeah, don't even get me started, but get these in the TikTok Shop, y'all. They're usually around $60. For the next hour, they'll be about $35. So get them while they last. Okay, so in that video, we're letting them know about a sale after we just explained to them the benefits of the pillow. The viewers feel a connection, especially if they relate to some of those problems. And now that they've been introduced to a sale, they'll feel even more grateful about it. So be more likely to now buy the product that you've established that connection with them. So the quicker you learn these frameworks, the further ahead you'll be of 99% of TikTok affiliates, and the sooner you'll be creating opportunities at life-changing amounts of money. Thank you for watching.